Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a graph of the kinetic energy versus the various points along the Hot Wheels track and a graph of the potential energy versus the various points along the Hot Wheels track, and set that up onto one nice graph and easily compare the difference between the potential and kinetic energies at various points. So to start, I have a column for my potential energy values. Now these are all hypothetical. I do not expect your potential energies to be 4 joules, 3 joules, 2, and 0 joules, nor would I expect your kinetic energy values to be these, but your points will be labeled 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to put these data into Excel, and then you're going to go to Charts and insert Scatter, X, Y, or Bubble, and we're going to choose a scatter plot with smooth lines and markers. So I click it. Now you notice I have no data here, so I can come up to the top and go to Select Data. I'm going to add a legend series, and this series name I'm going to call Potential Energy. Now my X series values, I click this and I go equals, and I'm going to grab all of the point values, 1, 2, 3, 4. I just grab those and I scroll down. For my Y series values, I need to delete this 1 in the bracket, and then I come to my potential energy values and I grab and scroll down and I hit OK. I'm going to add now a second entry. So I do like this, click add, and the series name will be kinetic energy. The kinetic energy series X values, I click equals, and I grab 0.1 and I hold and I scroll down to 0.4. My series Y values, I'm going to delete the bracket 1, and then I'm going to come to my kinetic energy values and I click 0 and I scroll all the way down like so, and I click OK. And now my graph is a perfect inverse relationship between potential and kinetic energy because all of my values are idealized. I don't expect your graphs to be this perfect, obviously not. We have energy loss in these systems, but there should be some sort of inverse trend between your potential energy and your kinetic energy. We need to add information to this graph, chart elements, so I'm going to go to Axes Titles, I'm going to go to Chart Title, and I'm going to go to Legend. So with the legend, I know that the blue line is potential energy, orange line is kinetic energy. I'm going to label this chart PE versus KE, and then this will be points on track, on the Hot Wheels track, and I guess I can label this energy. Actually, I'll call it specifically mechanical energy, and then the units are joules. And that's all. Alright, if you have any questions, feel free to ask in class, and I hope you found this really helpful. Thanks.